Welcome to Piber Academy. I wish you happy new year. So we're going to start a wonderful year 2025. In case if you are planning to start your cybersecurity in 2025, you are a student or you're a beginner or you're an IT professional who are just looking to switch your career from your current professional to cybersecurity, this video is for you. So in this one, I'm just going to talk detail about it, all the things. So this is going to be a most benefit video for whoever interested in to switch your career to cybersecurity or to upscale there, or they just want to know how what are the changes they can do in the cybersecurity. If suppose you are working in a cybersecurity as a SOC analyst or want to, so what are the opportunities, how you can enhance your skills, then so that you can attain your more passion based goals as well. So let's talk about the this is the roadmaps I have made very clearly from the after a lot of research. I just mentioned it in the proper structured manner. So this is where going to be a useful video. So definitely without skipping this video, till just watch the video completely entirely. So first of all, we'll start with the roadmaps. So as a I just made it in the simple manner, like cybersecurity fundamentals, intermediate skills, certifications, and career developments, advanced skills and emerging technologies, soft skills and industry threads, career roadmaps and cybersecurities, and conclusionally, how you can path your forward search. Whether I'm going to talk about it. So first of all, we will talk about the security fundamentals. This is for suppose you are a beginner, you are an IT professional, or you are just a student. You just want to just start your career on the cybersecurity. So this is a starting point. So you just need to know the definition. So what does mean cybersecurity? You just need to have a knowledge on what is this cybersecurity for it. So why we need a cybersecurity? What is this organization action? This department does over there. So try to understand more things. Try to understand the core concepts like network security, malware, and ransomware. What does mean malware? What does a ransomware do with it? How it is actually ransomware is are affecting the organization. So just try to more understand those things. Firewalls, perimeter devices, which is secure the network infrastructures. So firewalls, why we need a firewalls? What are the types of firewalls are there? How firewall actually works, and how firewall is actually protecting the organizations. Where I have to place the firewalls? What kind of firewalls are there? So try to understand more there. And the most after now, if I see that the trend was keep increasing more phishing emails. So now almost one of the cyber major companies and every even from the small scale industries to the individual entrepreneur, phishings are majorly a challenging one. So and moreover, after the ChatGPT came into picture, the phishing emails it's become a more advanced. So just need to be more cautious. And this is the most trending with it. Social engineering is nothing but it's just a manipulation of the human vulnerabilities. So even though you keep your infrastructure safe and secure, but humans are more vulnerable, so they can manipulate and they can add same that's what. So try to understand social engineering. Encryptions, why we need encryption, how encryptions are works over there, how encryptions actually helps in the keeping the data in transit, keeping the data in the store transfers and everything over there. What is the major contribution of the keys, public keys, private keys? Try to understand more on the encryptions over there. So the one of the major companies now they are start adapting is this zero trust security model. So the zero trust architecture, it can applies to the cloud infrastructure, if it applies to the on-prems and private cloud as well. So most companies are looking forward in the zero trust security models. So try to learn it over there. So what are the learning platforms you can use to understand? Probably you can obtain a certificate of CompTIA Security Plus. It's a basic one, so you can get the knowledge of it. Or you can search for a relevant content like network security, malware, for individual topics in Udemy or Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, or even YouTube. You can use it over there. Even I have planned to make a lot of videos over there. So if you're watching this video without subscribe, feel free to subscribe these videos, because in 2025 I'm going to come with a lot of videos. So it's going to be a lot of learning videos are on the pipeline. So please ensure subscribe it over there. So these are the things. Let's go to understand the intermediate skills. So what are the networking concepts? So you need to know the networking concept of TCP, DNS, HTTP. So these concepts you need to know that what is these things under operating systems, like you need to be mastering on Windows and Linux, because the reason why you need to be more confident on the Linux platform is The Kali Linux is we are going to use for our mostly the penetration testing operating system, ethical hacking operating systems. It's a well known, and most of the tools are comes in a Linux based one. So you just need to be more understanding on the operating systems, Linux operating systems, commands, and those things. Secondly, widely the organizations are used. That has their Linux servers as web servers and for their applications development those things. So for that, you just need to know that. And again, industry wide, majorly used is Windows operating system is an endpoint, and server level, there are Windows servers are used for their main functionalities and file server, SharePoint, Office 365. So a lot of things are there. So you just need to be mastering on the Windows technologies as well. And you just need to understand the what are the penetration testing tools are there. Like you need to be familiar with yourself on Kali Linux, Metasploit, Wireshark, Nmap, Burpsuit, and all the offensive security tools. List goes on it. So you just need to get familiarize yourself on these tools, because these are the tools you're going to use yours on your daily ethical hacking, or whether you're a penetration testing or web application testings. So these are the tools you will be keep using on it. How you can upskill yourself? So there are like a platforms like Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, you can use it. So there are like a lot of penetration testing courses are there. So there are like a lot of so these platforms will help you. These labs are very good so that you can upskill your knowledge over there. Threat intelligence is one of the major ones, so you can get experience on MSPs, which is it's open source, but it's a threat feeder which help you to on the threat intelligence, and you can integrate with your EDR solutions or SIM solutions. Try to get a more knowledge on threat intelligence. Why threat intelligence very important on the malware researchers, malware investigations, and incident investigations. So these you need to do it, and good knowledge on threat hunting analysis like SIM, system information, and event management, and XDR solutions, EDR solutions. So these are the very important. You just need to incident response. You just need to know all the playbooks, what incident, how to handle the incidents, very things, and if there is a breach happens, how to need to. Who just basically this is something like a three uh, theory part, but you can gain this knowledge. Probably you can look for a CSSP documents or CSM documents. You can get this knowledge also over there. Next one is certifications and career development. So if you're a beginner, as I said earlier, if you're just a beginner, so these are the certifications. CompTIA Security First is very important. You can go and pursue on it. If you're already a IT professional who have some knowledge on networking, some knowledge on systems and Linux over there, and you have a quite little bit amount of knowledge on cybersecurities or something else, or already you are working as a SOC analyst or cybersecurity, so you can go with the intermediate certificate, like a certificate ethical hacker, which is an easy council. You can take it. If already you be in like a advance, you have a quite decent experience on a cybersecurity with a 5+ or 7+, then you can go with the CSSP, which is a Certified Information System Security Professional. So this is something like theory, like tell about like how to run the organization in a safe and secure manner over there. And global information assurance certificates, certification cloud security professional, because majorly we are the companies started adopting the cloud platforms as their infrastructure. As per the Gartner 2026, almost say 80 to 85 percentage the companies will start adapting the cloud solutions, because it's easy and it is a growing technology. So if you, and moreover the cloud security professionals also needed in the upcoming days, so probably you can look it on this factor. For a hands-on experience, you can, if you're a beginner, look for internship. There are a lot of companies are providing internships. So gain the internships, gain the knowledge, understand how the organization works, how they are dealing with the infrastructures, how what kind of. So try to do it, or probably join some part-time jobs with your friends or Upwork or any freelancers. Just do it, or you can just join in groups of the cybersecurity groups and volunteer yourself and learn certain things. So you can do it over there. The next one is advanced skills and emerging threats. So the artificial intelligence and machine learning is growing on it. So try to understand what are the AI and ML threat detections are there. So prompt vulnerabilities are there. If suppose there is a prompt is not configured properly, so basically the prompt emails is nothing but So if I give instructions, the AI or chat GPT or any other things, so it's going to give me the design. So if suppose the prompt is not properly configured or it's done, then there is a thread is there. So just try to understand blockchain securities, because there are major net transactions and financial transaction sectors are growing on it. So secure the transactions, supply chain securities are very, very important, and blockchain is also major place over there. IoT internet, internet over things like a smartwatches, smart devices, smart heaters, and smart, so keeps goes on it list. So protecting Internet of Things is also very, very important factor. So again, cloud platforms. So there are like a AWS, Azure, Cloud, Google Clouds. So you can pick one of the certificates like AWS. You can pick a Amazon Security Associate or something else. Azure, you can pick SE100, or Google Clouds, you can pick the certifications and you get it. Quantum computing is also upcoming. One of the things over there, it's also the technology is growing on it. So try to get a more understanding on the quantum computing on it. What are the computers which, if suppose, what are the against the quantum threats will be there. So try to learn all those factors over there. What are the soft skills and industry trends? So soft skills, basically you just need to communicate. So try to make yourself good in communications. You should not talk always in a technical jargon. You should be more flexible with the, make yourself to explain the things whether to a technical person and non-technical persons. You just need to very good in communicate on it. Problem solving, just handle the complex network issues. So try to get a more, take more projects in your organizations, or try to challenge yourself, create a more labs, home labs, and try to create a problems and solutions for that. You can just do it over there. Leadership, managing the teams and projects budgets, you just need to gain the knowledge. In case if you are already a cybersecurity professionals in you, then just learn these things over there. Industry trends, keep yourself update on it, because that is a major important way. So cybersecurity news, cybersecurity, the hacking news is over there. Understand what are the vulnerabilities are there, what are the data breaches as company face. Try to keep yourself as much as update with the latest threats, latest informations about cybersecurity, what is happening on that field over there. So that is a major importance. That's thing. Try to attend more cybersecurity conferences and networkings over there. If there is a like a lot of virtual trainings and nowadays they're going on it, if mostly sometimes they're giving a free one. If it is paid, if you have a budget, if you're able to afford it, feel free to take it, because in the cybersecurity conference they will talk a lot about it. And also you will get an opportunity to create a connections, and with that connections you can just grow yourself and those things are. So that's very, very important aspects. So what are the career cybersecurity roadmaps for it, in case if you are looking for entry level with a zero to experience? So what are the job titles you can look for it? So you can look for a security analyst, IT security administrator, SOC analyst, network security engineer, penetration tester junior. So these are the titles, job titles are available. So what are the key skills? Obviously, you just need to know the basic knowledge of firewall, IDS, IPS, and endpoint protections, familiarity with the vulnerability scanning tools like Nexus, Nmap, and understand what does mean vulnerability management, basic understandings of networking protocols and encryptions, incident detections and responsive basics. This is all you need to know it. So what are the certifications can help you is again CompTIA Plus. So certified ethical, that is also beginnerly you can do it. Only thing is you just need to do a lot of it. Or you can attain a CCNA certificate for a security level, not router and switches. So CCNA security you can go and attend over there. So what are the focus? So you just need to hand-on experience. So get a hands-on experience like internship or part-time roles. Participate in the CTFs like a capture the challenges, attending industries events to expand the knowledges. So these are the things will help you to. If you're a mid-level with a 2 to 5 years experience, what are the job titles? So cybersecurity engineer, penetration tester, mid-level, SOC analyst, maybe probably senior SOC analyst, incident response analyst, security consultant will be there. So the key skill is you need to have a proficiency with the penetration testings and vulnerability assessment, good knowledge on SIM tools like Splunk, ELStack, Logarithm, Sentinel. So list keeps goes on it. So cloud security is an understanding of the multi-cloud architectures, because AWS and how they differentiate from the Azure Azure, how AWS is both are different from Google platform. What are other private clouds are there? What is the difference between public and private clouds? So just more to understand the architectures and those things, and how they're again the architectures in the sense again the blueprint of the HIPAA compliance and the GDPR compliance. Those understand, try to more it over there. And advanced threat intelligence and risk management, handling larger security incidents and breaches also will help you there. So the certifications, again, certified ethical hacker can help you, or you can go for a CSSP, or you can go for a certified cloud security professional CCSP, or you can go for a GIC penetration testers over there. If you are working in a senior level or with a 5 years experience in cybersecurities, or uh, you are IT professional, something else. So these are the job role you can look for it. Information security manager, security architect, chief information security officer, CISO, cybersecurity director, cybersecurity strategies. Key skills, leaderships, and team management. So basically, this is all like a little more technical and a mixture of technical and uh, uh, what is it, technical roles and a techno manager role kind of thing. They will be looking on it. Leaderships and team management in security operation, designing and implement enterprise level security architects, expertise in advanced threat hunting, incident response, and forensics, strong knowledge of regulations and compliance like GDPR, HIPAA, NIST, because mostly nowadays companies, one more things they're focusing on data governance. So just that is one of the factors. Expertise in a cloud, IoT, blockchain securities over there. So this is sometimes, so this is, I'm just giving a maximums. Sometimes depends upon the organizations. If they're, for example, CISO, they will look for a, like a 22 years experience candidate, or depends upon things over there. So it's completely company to combine. But uh, I believe that once you gain the knowledges or some things, it will be more useful for it. You just need to prove that you are worth through that role. That's all. Companies always look what you can add a value to the organization, and if you are fulfilling that role, definitely you will get it over there. So the only thing is keep continuous, consistent, and keep practicing, keep learning on it. So that is one thing. So certifications. So this way I have seen it over there. Same thing. CSP, CSSM, security experts, certificate information security manager, CSM, those things over here too. So focuses over enterprise security policies and programs, budgeting, try to understand what is the budgeting, how the budgeting works, often influencing company-wide security strategies and governance, representing the organization in legally and compliance matters, try to work over there. So if you are working for a various experience, specialized roles, you comes with the from the various things and feeder roles or something else. You can look for a penetration tester, malware analyst, threat analyst, security researchers, exploit developer, cloud security engineering. You can do it over there. Key skills: specialized knowledge in the malware reverse engineering, deep expertise in ethical hacking or red team engagements, in-depth knowledge of threat actor tactics, techniques, and procedure (TTPs), expertise in cloud native security tools and practices. So certifications, you can exploit researcher and advanced penetration testers, certificate incident handler, offensive security expert OSCP or OSCE. So these are the things over there. Focus, specialized specific training, build a strong profiles, and engage the security environment. So this is something like basically I just give you idea about the roadmaps over there. So this is basically if you are planning to start your careers. So you can take this as a reference. You can build your own plan, like what you are. First of all, you just need to decide what is your experience, and what are the according to that, zero to entry levels, what are the jobs. So you just need to collect all the informations. So you just need to make a mind map, like when I want to achieve, what I need to achieve. So create a plan and try to be a consistent on the plan, and deliver what the best you can give it over there. Keep trying on it, keep more practicing on it. One day you will be get more successful. I hope this information, this guide will be more benefit for you. I'll be giving this map in the description, so you feel free to download as your reference material. You can download it over there. So one or two changes, job will be changed, roles will be changed, depends upon it further. But this will give you overall idea about it. So you can use this as a reference material and you can do it over there. So I wish you wonderful year for you, and happy new year. and also very best for your cybersecurity things over there. And as I said earlier, subscribe the channel so yet you will get going to the channel going to hit with a lot of videos. Training videos are I have planned it for this year, so it's going to be a lot of images. So feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss the content when I post the videos over there. So stay tuned. See you soon with the next another interesting video. Until now, bye. Take care.